Right, this morning we're going to have a little bit more fun in this field here, and a little fun retrieving. Look how keen they are to get through this gate. Look at them. Ah. Look, I think Tia Bella's keen. There you go. Look at that. Go through. Right. Right. I'm going to try and drop tennis balls so Tia and Bella don't see me. It's just a fun game. And then we're going to come back and retrieve them. Got one there. I didn't see that. All good fun. One there. Even I can't remember where these are. Again, the grass is very wet and deep in places, and there'll be a lot of scent here as well. Come on, Tia. Got one there. Tia didn't see. We've got to find these while I'm dropping. I like them to run around and just run there though. Will we find them? It's a question. There's 4 to find. And we'll see how we get on, because some of them are in the deeper grass. So we'll walk up here a little while. There's a rabbit there, look. A rabbit just run across there, so that I pick the scent up on that. There you go. So, right, let's get back, go back and see if we can find these tennis balls. It's going to be a bit of fun. This is going to be fun. I think Bella's picked the scent up of that rabbit, to be fair. Question is, will we find these tennis balls? Because I haven't got a clue now where they are. I think Bella's got one actually. Sure she has. I know she hasn't. I think the easiest thing to do, I'll go to the one a bit further up here when we came in. See if we can get the first one and then work our way back. Has Bella got the first one? Yes, she has. So that's a great start. We've got the first one of 4. So that gets us into the swing of things here. Right, that's 1. Right. We'll start here and work our way up. Big area to cover. Surely Bella hasn't found one there. Oh. We've got a bit to do, so I've got one. Trying to cover the area. See about one? No. Bella got one. Right, we'll start here again, Belle, and work away. We've done that line. Surely Bella ain't got another one. She got one. No. See, the sun was very, very strong in here today. So don't go that far to you. At least she's having a good look. Oh, good fun. You've got to stay with it and be really patient, because it's all good training and they're learning all the time. Yeah, she found one. Well, that's amazing. I'm really pleased with that. Good girl, Tia. Now leave it, Belle. Let Tia bring that one in. Good girl, Tia. Lovely. So that's two. Right. So now they've both got one each here. So let's see if we can find the other two. Right. Good girls. Not doing too bad really, because I don't even know where they are now. It's literally up to these two. There you go. Just going to go back on this a little bit. cover this area a bit. Remember, I'm not a professional or expert on this. We're just having fun. They'll do this much different to this. So you found one? She's in there, very... You've got to remember as well, really how strong that scent will be. And they're trying to pick a tennis ball out. It's quite a big job for them. Tia's got one. Look, good girl, Tia. So that is amazing. No, leave it. That Tia, bring it in. Well, you both of you. That's good. Lovely. So we've got one more to find. That's number 3. And look at that. Look. So, as I say, the experts will do it a lot different to this. Remember, I'm only a fun trainer. I teach them to have a lot of fun and to enjoy the journey that we're on. And see if we can find number 4. We'll cover this area here. Good girls. Cover this deep. Quite amazing really, the scent, the smell that dogs have. It's quite incredible. In all this grass you could be here all day, forever, looking for these balls. How are we getting on? Fella picked up on one. The thing is, that rabbit went across earlier on. The thing is, would Tia have took up chase after that? Probably, but I think then our recall's not too bad. I think she would have come back on recall. I'm quite confident, in fairness, but it's just again, temptation. How are we doing, Belle? One to find. I think we're doing well.